I would like to make two or three comments. The first one, like Faisal has said, what is very important with this technology, more important that I believed initially, is this long connector in zigzag, because it goes from valley to valley. Nobody has done that. You know, all did some S connector, sometime on the side, but not from valley to valley. And as you said, very good, there's a duality there. You have on one hand the flexibility and on the other hand the pushability. And I think it's important to say. The second point is that when the people think about the thin struts, I know I've heard that, they are somewhat nervous about main stem. I can tell you there have been plenty of main stem treated with this case. And I think the case of Prudvi is a good illustration to a full ring of calcium. Of course, you did 10 sessions of lithotripsy for 10 seconds, but then the stent went through and deployed completely. The third thing, which is very interesting, is that in February, there was a publication in the American Journal of Cardiology. And that publication was done by the investigator of the Orsiro of Biotronic. And they did a beautiful network meta-analysis, very professional. The result is interesting. When you compare 10 stents used in Europe, the number one for TLR and TV failure is the Supraflex Cruz, together with the mice stent. Two studies published in the New England. The mice stent, unfortunately, was never commercialized. Then you get the science, then you get the synergy, and then you get the Orsiro. So we should really not be afraid to use that technology, because even by investigate of the Orsiro, they came to the conclusion that that was the best. And the statistic in that paper is quite remarkable. You should read that paper. So I'm very pleased to work with that technology. We would not be there with the best in Europe to work on that if we were not convinced that it's a good technology.